Balinda uyami pole gimi, funie my purpose. Begun jalon jenkule ganjalo mina bukogo gengiko. I like to align with your will. Manchasini sibonang duntonga panangapa. Stretched too thin, spinning aimlessly on the spot. Yabon yatando kwenza uhle, yajabuluman lusizo bantu. Kephumlungiso sethela isista, lokhu sekuze kwaba yimpilo yami. Ngoba njalo ngisiza umuntu ngiyalimala. Angithandi lokho, akuhambelani nesethembiso sakho. I am seeking my purpose. Ngisize Nkosi, fully in my purpose. Help me, Lord, ignite the fire of your love again in my heart. Sengihambe nginika nje, ngoba kwenze njani na, ngoba kukho konke engikho. I like to align with your will. Ndela kuwe ndawo yami mayigcwale kimi. Last night, sitting quietly on my work desk, pen lazing on my journal pages, thumbs grinding endless proposals. I see our granddaughter B go through smoke, dinner scent steam the kitchen walls. She calls my name, Mom too. That's me. We laugh. I like a laugh and it's infectious. Biko continues. I have a divine vision about your music, and I wish it can come to fruition. My thumbs continued with the multitasking, but I looked up to listen with one ear. Good gracious God, I was stunted by her vision. She explained exactly my old remix vision, revealed long before she was born, but still lies in cold offices, proposals, boxes. But because I am a musical storyteller, I don't waste any moments' feelings. I related to her, my journal entry penned earlier that afternoon. I took her back to the old art feeling I once felt. Bathing in the sound of Miss Roberta Flack and Mr. Donny Hathaway. I was standing looking through the windows under the grey cloudy London sky. I could see the glow of the morning dew over the cool green grass, but my heart was sinking with an odd feeling of sadness. That same odd feeling sneaked in again today, hearing the sound of a guitar strumming through Mana's room. And again, during your music class with your favorite teacher, I finally recognized that those melodies singing through your guitars were my old songs, still waiting for that vision. I am seeing my purpose. Ngisize Nkosi, Balindawo yami kwale gimi, fully in my purpose. Nokwe tuni tweetik, and now we slowly tweetik. I like to align with your will. Mabwe, there will be tuni tweetik. I like to align with your will. Man just saying easy born and don't swang up and up. Fully in my purpose. Begon jalon jenkule ganjalo mina kukogo gengiko. I like to align with your will. Man just saying easy born and don't swang up and up. Begun jalon jenkule ganjalo mina kukogo gengiko. I like to align with your will.